Let's take a look at how to properly submit an assignment. The first thing we need to do is find the folder, the week, the location of that assignment. Once you find it, you open it up, you scroll down, and you find the assignment, which is the short essay here. As you can see, there's nowhere to submit this. You have some instructions, so you'll want to read through that, but you don't see where to submit. Notice the line underneath. That tells you that's one of those hyperlinks, so you want to click on it. When you click on it, more information pops up. You have a due date, you have the points possible, you have a rubric, and you have those same instructions. Be sure and open that rubric, and it will give you more information on what you need to do to make that paper as perfect as possible. The next section, your assignment submission. The text submission, most instructors are not going to want you to write it into the text submission because it makes it more difficult for them to grade. They're going to want you to browse your computer and find that assignment, and we'll find it, we'll put it in there, and if you have any comments for the instructor, you can put those there. Next up, when you're finished, be sure and pick one of these three options. The first one is cancel, so if you realize that you are not ready to submit, you want to do that. It takes you completely out of the assignment. Save as a draft. Well, what this does is it saves it for you so you can continue to work on it later. If you do this, remember, it does not go to your instructor. The instructor cannot see it, so it is not submitted. Once you're ready to submit for grading, then you click the submit, and you can see that you have your review submission history of the short essay. It shows you what you have attached, and it gives you information over here on the attempt and the submission that you put in there. Just remember, you must submit the assignment. You need to see this screen or your instructor is not going to be able to grade the assignment.